Hey guys, I'm Kendra Sommer with more International Scout coverage from the Mojave Desert. I'm with an owner who says owning this International Scout changed his life.
Hi, Kendra.
Nice to meet you. Now, Andrew, what are we sitting in?
1976 International Scout 2.
How did you come across this one?
Well, I was driving through Nevada and I thought to myself, this has to be Scout country. I was looking around and I saw this Scout in a farm, and I stopped by, left my name and number in the guy's mailbox, said, hey, if you're interested in selling your Scout, give me a call. And he says, hey, you're interested in my Scout. Which one?
Ha!
Of course, he
I
had
love
three.
it.
He had three. And I said the green one, and I made him a deal. He took it, and I drove it home.
And when was that?
That was 10 years ago.
Nice. And is this your only one?
I had one before, and it was riddled with rust, and I wanted something else. And this was in mint condition, so I got lucky and got it for a great price.
Nice. This is how I would do an off-road Scout with the topless option.
Oh yeah, plus
and-
with the screen, it's 90%,
Yeah.
sun.
I've never seen one with the screen before. That's
Yeah,
cool.
the mesh, I love it.
This is neat.
Yeah.
Anything else special about this truck that you want to talk about?
Other than slight modifications, I have taken it, I live in Southern California, I've taken it to Wyoming, Utah, Arizona, Mexico, Baja.
Oh, you did the
I've
Baja.
been all over the place in this.
Okay.
So I use this
That's
off-road.
cool.
It goes off-road. It's not my ice cream getter.
Yeah. That's good to hear.
So I really use it and I've been enjoying it.
That's neat.
Yeah.
Anything break so far?
Anything? What hasn't? What hasn't? I just did the Mojave Trail.
Oh,
We
you
just
did?
got off of it. We did the Mojave Trail for 3 days before we came here, and it was flawless. No problems, no issues. I did lose my antenna,
Okay.
and I improvised with a stick.
Okay.
So I got a new antenna.
That's cool,
A stick
though.
antenna.
I like it. That's neat. Anything else you want to add that I know we didn't touch on everything, but anything major that we're missing?
No, other than, I've been learning a lot doing my own work. I took an auto body class. I restored the whole body,
Nice.
sanded it down to metal and painted it myself. And I'm just enjoying it. I really love it. People love it. I get a lot of attention. People want to buy it. It's just amazing how much attention we get with driving the Scout.
And I know it's really neat. We have a couple at our house too.
Yeah. And then if you have a cute puppy, oh my God.
I know. It's like you're an advertisement or something. What do you think about Scout Motors coming out with the EV?
I don't mind the EV. I already put a reservation for one, so I'm okay with it. I mean, it's the sign of the times. It looks great. I love all the new features, and I'm 60 years old. By the time it comes out, I'm going to be 62. I don't know if I'm going to be doing all this stuff
Oh, man, I
very
think
much
you will
longer.
be.
So I'm looking forward to it.
Okay.
I'm definitely going to get one.
Did you get the Terra or Traveler?
The Traveler.
Well, anything else Scout related that you want to chat about?
It changed my life basically. Once I got a Scout, I never did any off-roading, and once I got this, my whole life changed for the better. Got
Yeah.
me out here to these great places all over Mexico, and like I said, all over the States,
Yeah, that's cool.
off-roading.
And how long have you been part of this club?
About 10 years
10
now.
years now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I should be president now.
Yeah, you should. You need to mention that to somebody.
No, they might take me up on my bluff.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.
All right, guys, I'm Kendra Sommer, and I'll see you on the next one. Later, cruisers.